Ready to jump into some Hypixel fun but get slammed with that annoying failed to authenticate error? Don't rage quit just yet. I've got you covered with some quick fixes. First, close your Minecraft game completely. Then, fully close the Minecraft launcher itself. Make sure it's not just minimized in your system tray, really shut it down. Now, reopen the Minecraft launcher. This is super important. Double check you're logged into the correct Microsoft account. Sometimes a simple relog is all it takes. Head over to the Installations tab. You'll probably see your main Minecraft version listed there. Hover your mouse over it. See that little pencil icon? Click it to edit your installation settings. Scroll down and locate the executable path. Sometimes, this path can get messed up. We need to make sure it's pointing to the right Java installation. If the path is incorrect, manually reselect the Java version Minecraft should be using. Typically, it's in your Java installation directory. Ensure you are using the latest version of Java. Once you've verified the Java path and saved the changes, relaunch Minecraft. Fingers crossed, try connecting to Hypixel again. This method resolves the authentication issue 9 times out of 10. If you're still having trouble, ensure your internet connection is stable and restart your computer. Good luck, and get back to gaming.